Hey guys, back with another video here today. Today's video I'll be opening a Sun and Moon pack, so let's get right into it. Here's the pack, so let's open it. Keeping the code card. For the back. So the first card is a Energy, Great Ball, Pasmian, Team Skullgrunt, Alone Grimer, Tigermura, Stuffle, Marini, Dewpider, Reverse Sandile, and a Gold Duck. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!